Hello, so this is part 2 of fractions. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number and how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. So let's get started. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. Improper into mixed. So this is really easy. So my example is like this. 25 over 2. 25 over 2. Now, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So it can't be keep like this. So we have to convert that one into a mixed number. Very easy. So I'm going to first of all do the basic method. Okay. What we can do is, we have to divide 25 by 2. You can do this one in your mind also, but now I'm going to teach you how to do this in the long division method. Okay, so for 2, how many 2's are there? 1. 1 times 2, 2. Remainder is 0. Let's take 5 here. For 5, how many 2's are there? 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Remainder is 1. Okay. Now I am going to put the numbers in a mixed number. Okay. So, always the denominator is same. Here the denominator is 2 and in the mixed number also denominator is 2. Okay. So, this is here. So, how many whole numbers are there for 2 in 25? Yes, this answer, 12. I will write this 12 here. 12 here. And the remainder goes to the numerator. Remainder goes to the numerator. That's it. Very easy. Let's do another question also. 2 here, always here 2 and here 2. The same way, the denominator is same, only the numerator is changing. The remainder goes to the numerator and this whole number goes to the whole number place here. That's it. Another example. 21 over 4. Okay. Let's divide. 21 divided by 4. For 2 there are no 4's are there. So I'll take just for 21. Okay, for 21 how many 4's are there? 5. That is 4 times 5 is 20. 1 is remaining. Okay. Now we are going to convert this one into a mixed number. The denominator is same. Here we have 4 and here also we have 4. And the remainder goes to the numerator and 5 goes here. Keep in mind, this 5 is not belong to numerator or denominator. That is in the middle. Okay, that is in the middle. That will be belong to both numerator and denominator. That will be in the middle. Okay, so that's it. Another example. 16 divided by 5. Okay, 16 divided by 5. For 16, how many 5's are there? Yes, 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 is remaining. So, we will put them. The denominator is 5. We have the whole number 3 and the remainder is 1. That's it. Remainder is 1. You can note down anything you want. The next example, let's take a little bit more big example. 123 divided by 25. 123 divided by 25. So, for 100, how many 25's are there? Yes, that is 4. Everyone knows that. 4 times 25 means 100. How much is remaining here? 23. Okay, let's put them. Denominator is 25. Remainder is 23. And we have the whole number 4. That's it. So the last question we are going to discuss under this part. That is 83 divided by 4. 83 divided by 4. For 8, how many 4s are there? Yes, there are 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Remainder is 0. Let's take 3 now. For 3, is there any 4s? No. So, we will put 0 there. 0 times 4 is 0. The remainder is 3. So, the denominator is always 4. The remainder is 3. And the whole number is 20. Very easy. So now we studied how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. And now we are going to study conversion of a mixed number into an improper fraction. That is also very easy. Now mixed number into improper. So my mixed number example is 2 1 over 5. This is the first one. What we have to do is, we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number. Denominator and the whole number. That means 2 times 5. Sorry, 5 times 2. What is the answer? 10. And we have to add the numerator. 5 times 2 is 10. Then 10 plus 1 is 11. So that is the answer for numerator. And the denominator is same as the last one. That's it. We are going to multiply these two. We are going to multiply them. And we are going to add the answer to the numerator. Let's do another example. Okay. So, 7 and 3 has to be multiplied. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 1. 21 plus 1 is 22. The denominator is same. Denominator is same. That is 7. Okay, done. Next question. 2, 5 and here let's put 4. Okay. So, 5 times 2, that is 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 over 5. Very easy, right? Let's do another example here itself. 7, 3 and here let's put 2. If I put 2 here, I can't use 3 here, no. Okay. Let's put 4 here, okay? 4 times 7, 4 times 7, 28. 28 plus 3, 31. Okay, 31 over 4. Denominator is same. Okay. So, the last question we are going to discuss under this topic, right? Very easy. So in this part, we have discussed how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number and how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. So in the next video, we are going to discuss addition of fractions. So let's meet soon.